Dreams. We all have dreams. Big, small, wild, and ambitious. But what if I told you the secret to turning those dreams into reality doesn't rely on luck, talent, or even hard work? Instead, it all starts in your mind with one powerful tool, the law of assumption. This isn't wishful thinking or abstract philosophy. It's a proven mental framework that countless people swear by to manifest their goals. Imagine living as though you already have everything you desire. Sounds bold, right? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how the law of assumption works, but also how you can use it to create the life you've always dreamed of. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, because this knowledge might just change someone's life, starting with yours. The law of assumption is a simple yet powerful concept. What you assume to be true becomes your reality. It's not about wishing or hoping, it's about confidently living in the mindset that what you desire is already yours. This principle is based on the idea that your beliefs shape your world. When you assume something with conviction, your thoughts, emotions, and actions align with that belief, and the universe responds accordingly. Unlike the law of attraction, which focuses on attracting things into your life, the law of assumption is about becoming the person who already has what you want. It's a complete mental shift that starts with your imagination and belief system. If you can imagine it and assume it's real, you can make it happen. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have, and with the law of assumption, it becomes the foundation for creating your ideal reality. The law of assumption works by aligning your subconscious mind with the reality you want to create. Here's how it happens. When you assume that your desire is already true, your subconscious mind accepts it as fact. It doesn't question it or analyze it, it simply works to make it real. Your thoughts begin to shift, your emotions follow, and your actions naturally align with this new belief. For example, if you assume you are confident and successful, you'll start acting in ways that reflect confidence and success. Your energy changes, and so does the way people respond to you. The key is consistency. The more you repeat and reinforce your assumptions, the stronger they become. Over time, your external reality starts to reflect the internal changes you've made. Think of it like planting a seed in your mind. When you water it with belief and care, it grows into something tangible. This process isn't about forcing things or obsessing over the outcome. It's about trusting that your assumption is already true and allowing the universe to take care of the details. When you fully embrace this mindset, you'll be amazed at how effortlessly your dreams begin to take shape. The law of assumption is rooted in a few key principles that make it effective. First and foremost is imagination, the ability to visualize your desired reality as if it's already true. Your imagination isn't just a tool for daydreaming, it's the blueprint for your future. By vividly picturing the life you want, you're sending a clear message to your subconscious mind. This is my reality. The more detailed and consistent your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. Next, emotions play a critical role. It's not enough to simply imagine your desired reality. You need to feel it. Feel the joy, gratitude, confidence, or excitement as though your dream is already achieved. Why? Because your subconscious doesn't differentiate between real and imagined emotions. When you feel deeply connected to your vision, your subconscious starts working to make it happen. Consistency is another principle that cannot be ignored. You can't assume one thing today and contradict it tomorrow. For the law of assumption to work, you need to hold on to your belief, no matter what external circumstances may look like. This doesn't mean ignoring reality, but training your mind to stay focused on your desired outcome. Finally, detachment is key. Once you've planted the seed of your assumption, don't obsess over how or when it will manifest. Trust that it's already happening. Just like a gardener doesn't dig up a seed to check if it's growing, you shouldn't constantly second-guess your belief. These principles, imagination, emotions, consistency, and detachment, are the foundation of the law of assumption. Master these, and you'll unlock a new level of personal power. Your beliefs and assumptions are the silent architects of your life. Every thought you hold, every belief you carry, and every assumption you make is shaping your reality, whether you realize it or not. The law of assumption highlights this truth. Your life is a mirror, reflecting back your inner beliefs. If you assume success, happiness, or love, you'll start noticing opportunities and experiences that match those assumptions. But if you carry beliefs rooted in fear, doubt, or limitation, those too will manifest. Think about how powerful this is. Every time you choose to believe in a positive outcome, you're setting the stage for that reality to unfold. Your assumptions influence your decisions, your actions, and even the energy you project to others. For example, if you believe you're unworthy of success, you might not take the risks or opportunities that could lead to it. On the other hand, if you assume success is inevitable, your behavior will naturally align with that belief. You'll take bolder actions, exude confidence, and attract people and situations that support your goals. What makes the law of assumption truly transformative is the realization that you have control over your beliefs. You can rewrite the stories you've been telling yourself and choose assumptions that empower you. The moment you shift your beliefs, your external reality begins to shift as well. This isn't just about thinking positively, it's about adopting a mindset of certainty and confidence. By mastering your assumptions, you gain the ability to consciously create the life you desire. It's not magic, it's the science of belief in action. Applying the law of assumption in your daily life is simpler than you might think, but it requires focus, discipline, and a willingness to change your mindset. The first step is to clearly define what you want. Be specific about your desires, whether it's a dream job, a loving relationship, or financial abundance. Clarity is crucial because your mind needs a clear target to focus on. Once you've identified your goal, the next step is to assume that it's already yours. This is where visualization becomes a daily practice. Start each day with a few minutes of visualization. Close your eyes and imagine your life as if your desire is already fulfilled. Picture every detail, the sights, sounds, and feelings of living your dream. The key here is to immerse yourself emotionally. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement of already having what you want. The stronger the emotional connection, the more your subconscious mind will accept it as reality. Affirmations are another powerful tool. Create positive, present-tense statements that reinforce your desired reality. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I am successful, confident, and thriving." Repeat these affirmations throughout the day, especially during moments of doubt or negativity. Your words have the power to rewire your beliefs. Consistency is essential. Make it a habit to check in with your thoughts throughout the day. Whenever you notice negative or limiting beliefs creeping in, consciously replace them with your new, empowering assumptions. This doesn't mean ignoring challenges or setbacks, but choosing to respond to them from a place of confidence and faith in your desired outcome. Over time, this practice becomes second nature, and your reality will begin to shift to align with your assumptions. While the law of assumption is a powerful tool, many people struggle to see results because of common mistakes. The most significant mistake is doubting the process. Many people start strong but lose faith when they don't see immediate changes in their reality. Remember, the law of assumption isn't about instant gratification. It's about consistently aligning your thoughts and beliefs until your external world catches up. Patience and trust in the process are critical. Another common pitfall is contradicting your assumptions. For example, you might visualize success in the morning, but spend the rest of the day complaining or doubting your abilities. This inconsistency confuses your subconscious mind and slows down the manifestation process. You must stay committed to your new belief. Many people also make the mistake of letting negative emotions take control. While it's natural to feel frustrated or discouraged at times, dwelling on these emotions reinforces limiting beliefs. Instead, use these moments as opportunities to refocus. Practice gratitude for what you already have and remind yourself of your ultimate goal. Lastly, people often obsess over the outcome, constantly worrying about when or how your desire will manifest creates resistance. The law of assumption works best when you trust that your desire is already on its way. Detachment doesn't mean giving up. It means having unwavering confidence that everything is unfolding as it should. By avoiding these mistakes and staying consistent, patient, and focused, you'll unlock the full potential of the law of assumption and begin to see remarkable changes in your life. The law of assumption has transformed lives in incredible ways, and its power is evident when you look at real-life examples. Imagine someone struggling in their career, constantly feeling stuck in a job they hate. One day, they decide to apply the law of assumption. Instead of focusing on frustration and lack, they start assuming they already have their dream job. Every morning, they visualize waking up excited to work in a fulfilling role, picturing themselves thriving in an ideal environment. They repeat affirmations like, "I love my job," and "I am highly valued for my skills." Over time, opportunities they couldn't see before begin to appear. They feel more confident in interviews, connect with the right people, and eventually land the role they've been dreaming of. Another example is someone seeking love. Instead of dwelling on loneliness or past heartbreaks, they assume the identity of someone already in a loving, happy relationship. They focus on the feelings of joy and connection as if they already have their perfect partner. This shift in mindset changes the way they carry themselves. They radiate confidence, self-love, and positivity. This energy naturally attracts the right kind of people into their life. Even small wins show how the law of assumption works. From finding unexpected money to securing an opportunity they thought was out of reach, people have seen remarkable changes by simply aligning their beliefs with their desires. These examples prove that when you assume the best for yourself and truly believe it, the universe aligns to make it your reality. If you're ready to take the law of assumption to the next level, there are advanced techniques that can deepen your practice and accelerate results. One of the most effective methods is journaling. Write in the present tense as if you're already living your dream life. For example, start your entries with phrases like, "I'm so grateful that," and describe the details of your desired reality. This helps to solidify your assumptions and keeps your mind focused on your goal. Another powerful tip is practicing gratitude daily. Gratitude raises your vibration and creates a sense of abundance. Even if your current reality doesn't reflect your ultimate desires, focus on being thankful for what you already have. This gratitude opens the door for more positive experiences to flow into your life. You can also use the technique of living in the end. This means acting, thinking, and feeling as if your dream is already true. If you want to manifest financial freedom, for example, start adopting the mindset and habits of someone who is financially secure. Spend time imagining how that version of you behaves, thinks, and feels. Resistance is a common challenge, and one way to overcome it is through meditation. Take a few minutes each day to quiet your mind, focus on your breath, and visualize your desires with clarity. This practice not only reduces stress, but also strengthens your connection with your subconscious mind. Finally, stay committed to the process, even when challenges arise. Remember, the law of assumption works best when you have faith in the unseen. Treat setbacks as opportunities to strengthen your belief, and don't let temporary obstacles shake your confidence. By incorporating these advanced tips into your routine, you'll supercharge your ability to manifest and create the life you've always dreamed of. The law of assumption is more than just a mindset. It's a tool that gives you control over your life. By shifting your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions to align with the reality you want, you open the door to endless possibilities. What you assume to be true becomes your truth, and your mind becomes the architect of your dreams. Remember, this process doesn't require you to rely on luck or wait for the right circumstances. You already have everything you need within you. Every time you visualize, affirm, and feel the emotions of living your dream life, you are planting the seeds of your new reality. With patience, consistency, and trust, those seeds will grow into something extraordinary. Now is the time to take action. Start small if you need to, pick one goal, and begin applying the principles you've learned today. Assume success. Assume happiness. Assume abundance. Most importantly, trust the process and trust yourself. The power of the law of assumption is real, and you have the ability to use it. The life you've always dreamed of is closer than you think. So, start today. Believe in your power and watch your reality transform. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Together, we can create a community of people who are taking control of their lives and manifesting their dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, the life you want is already yours. Now go claim it.